Namaste friends, welcome to Dhoni Classes again. Today we will be starting with the new chapter, that is triangles, in which we will be studying 5 to 6 different types of theorems, correct? And there are mainly 5 exercises, 2.1, 2.2 to 2.5, I think 2.5 and correct? We will be looking into one by one. First of all, what we need to study here? What is a triangle? What is a triangle? It is a closed geometrical figure. Correct? It is a closed geometrical figure which is formed by 3 intersecting lines. Number 1, number 2, number 3. If you intersect 2 lines, you will get what? Nothing. You will get a single solution point. Correct? Unique solution point. Correct? If you intersect 3 lines, then you will get what? 3 vertices. These are called as what? 3 points or 3 vertices. If you remove the unwanted part, you will get what? A closed figure. Correct? A closed figure. This closed figure is called as what? Triangle. Correct? Yes or no? What is a triangle? It is a geometrical closed figure formed by 3 intersecting lines. 3 intersecting lines. Correct? Okay. In triangle, what all we have? Let us consider triangle ABC. You will be having 3 sides. What are the 3 sides here? AB or BA, AC or CA, BC or CB. Correct? Then we are having how many angles? 3 angles. What are the 3 angles here? Angle A, angle B, angle C, or angle ABC, angle BCA, angle CAB. Correct? These are the 3 angles and 3 sides of a triangle. Based on sides, there are 3 types of triangles. Based on angle, there are 3 types of triangles. Correct? Based on sides, there are 3 types of triangles. What are those?
Equilateral, isosceles triangle.
Okay, one is equilateral triangle. Number 2, isosceles triangle. Number 3, scalene triangle. Correct? What is the meaning of equilateral triangle? If triangle is having all sides equal, then all angle equal to 60 degree because the sides, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. The angles opposite to sides are equal. That is, A is equal to B, A is equal to C, B is equal to C, A equal to B equal to C, x plus x is equal to 180 degree, 3x is equal to 180 degree, then x is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the all angles in equilateral triangle are 60 degree. Correct? This is the basic of the 7th standard, not 10th standard, 7th standard basic. Next, we will be having what? Isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? If any 2 sides of a triangle are equal, then that triangle is called as what? Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, opposite to equal sides, angles are always equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. That means this one is x, then this one is also x. Correct? Correct. Then we will be having what? Scalene triangle. What is the meaning of scalene triangle? Yes. In a given triangle, if all sides are different and all angles are different, then that is called as what? Scalene triangle or scalene triangle. Okay? Next comes, based on angles, there are 3 triangles. Based on angles, there are 3 triangles. What are those? One is acute angle triangle. Second one, right angle triangle. Third one, obtuse angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? Okay, if all the angles in a triangle are less than 90 degree, all angles. If all angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree, then what happens? This will become what? Acute angle triangle, correct? Acute angle triangle. Then what is the meaning of right angle triangle? In a triangle, one angle must be 90 degree, equal to 90 degree, then it is called as what? Right angle. What is obtuse angle triangle?
More than 90 degree.
Okay, in any triangle, if one angle is having a greater than 90 degree angle, then it is called as what? Obtuse angle triangle. These are the types of triangles. 6 types. 3 are based on angles. 3 are based on sides. Correct. Then comes what? Next comes objectives of this part of basics. Objectives of basics. What all we need to study in the basics. What are the basics here? Number 1, definitions of congruent of a triangle. Definitions of a congruent triangle. What is the meaning of congruent triangle? Number 1. Number 2, state the criteria for the congruence of two triangles. Criteria: angle, 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 side, angle, side, angle, side, 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 side. AA criterion. RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. These are the different methods to say the two triangles are congruent. Correct? These are the different criterions, methods, properties. Understood? Next we will be studying about some properties of a triangle. What are the properties of a triangle? Then inequalities in a triangle. What are the inequalities in a triangle? Next we will be studying about the BPT theorem. Okay? Next, after that we will be having what? We will be having set of questions. After that we will be having areas of similar triangles theorem. Next we will be having what? Pythagoras theorem. Next one, what is this? Congruent. If you want to say two triangles are congruent, ಎರಡು triangle congruent ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ what are the methods? What are the values here? Corresponding angles must be equal. Corresponding angles must be equal, and corresponding sides are also equal. Equal ratio ಅಲ್ಲ, equal ratio ಇದ್ರೆ similar triangles ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Equal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ congruent. All corresponding angles must be equal. Angle B is equal to x, angle B is equal, angle A is equal to x, B is equal to y, C is equal to z, AB is equal to xy. Then BC is equal to YZ. BC is equal to YZ. Then AC is equal to XZ. These all are the parts where we can say that the two triangles are congruent. Then now we see that sides of triangle ABC coincide with the sides of XYZ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Two triangles are congruent if all the sides and all the angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and corresponding angles of the other triangle. Then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Next comes what? This also means that A is corresponding to X, B is corresponding to Y, C corresponds to Z. For any two congruent triangles, the corresponding parts are equal. Correct? Termed as CP/CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. By CP/CT, all angles are equal, all corresponding sides are equal. Okay? Next comes the criteria. What are the different criteria? What are the different methods to say that there are two triangles which are congruent? Congruent ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ? Number one is SAS, side angle side congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle, two sides, that means consider these two triangles AB X Y. If two sides are equal, then there must be corresponding included angle equal. ಇವೆರಡು angle equal ಇರಬೇಕು. These two angles must be equal. ಈ angles equal ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Understood? ಯಾವ angle include ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಅದು angle equal ಇರಬೇಕು. Next comes what? ASA, angle side angle congruence. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side, two angles and the included side, two angles ಇವ ಇರಬೇಕು, side ಇದ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ side ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Two angles and included side must be what? Equal. Then the two triangles are said to be congruent. AAS, angle side. Two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of triangle of one pair of corresponding sides are equal. Check it out. ನೋಡಿ check ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. SSS, side. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then those two triangles are said to be congruent. Next comes what? RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. If two right angle triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Next comes SAS congruence. SAS, this one is side here. Side AC is equal to side PR. Side BC is equal to side QR. And the included angle must be equal. Included angle. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ಗೂ include ಆಗಂತ angle equal ಇರಬೇಕು. Then it is called as what? SAS triangle. Next comes what? ASA, angle side angle. ಈ ಎರಡು angle ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ side equal ಇರಬೇಕು. Correct? Angle equal to angle A equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle F, then AC must be equal to DF only, not EF, not ED. AC must be equal to DF only, then it is called as what? ASA. Next comes AA, similarity AA or AAS anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, just AA ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. If two angles are equal to the corresponding angles of two triangles, then those two triangles are congruent. Look here, angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P because one arc is equal to one arc. Next, angle B is equal to angle Q. Then you can say that what? Side BC is equal to side QR. BC must be equal to the QR. Then you can say that AAS. Next comes SSS, similarity criterion. Angle side AC is equal to side PR, BC is equal to QR, AB is equal to PR. This is called as what? PQ. This is called as what? SSS, similarity congruent rule. Not